Okay, so unfortunately I'm running late. It'll probably be a normal thing, but it is 12:30. I'm actually not usually this late. I'm on my way to Coral's house. She's actually in this neighborhood. It's about a minute away, probably 30 seconds. After that, I have to go to another dog's house, which is about 15 minutes away. I'm now at Coral's house, so see you with Coral. Oh my goodness, it's Coral. Good girl. I know. Hi, miss. Oh my goodness. Sit. Good. Good girl. Wait. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know, I love you. Love you, little girl. Come on. She's a little anxious, but so we usually do like a half-hour walk, but I don't have time for that today. So she'll just have to go potty and then I'll take her back in. Put it up here. Hello. Okay. Con's in the freezer. Can you text me to let me know how Coral did at a playpen today? Thanks. In case I don't come back, here is your Kong. It's got peanut butter and treats inside. You're so pretty. Ew, is that your treats? Oh my goodness. What a good girl. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you want love. You want love. Oh, good girl. Oh, you want over there? Okay. You good girl. All right, I gotta go. Hi guys. Oh, you're off the couch. I trained her to sit when people come to the door instead of jumping up because she used to give me scratches so badly. Whoa, that's new. You jump on the couch. You jump on the couch. That's Sassy's spot. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these guys are crazy. Let's go. Hi. Hello. This is Raven. Raven. And this is Sassafras. Alright, let's go. Out here she knows she can jump on me, which I don't really like. But if you can see her eyes, oh my goodness, look at you, you're beautiful. Oh my goodness, little sassafras. What? You don't like the camera? I'm not paying attention fully to you? Is that what it is? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love yous. I love yous both so much. Oh my goodness, she just wants to be held, but she has to go potty first. You're silly. You're a silly girl. Yes, you are. Hello there. You're silly. And I have two cats. And there she is. Or he. I actually don't know your gender. And I won't assume it. Come on up. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna get your toy. I'm gonna get it. Ah, I got it. Sit. Good sit. Oh, good girl. I know, you're jealous. You're a jealous little monster. If I get a toy, they'll start playing together. Kitty cat. Oh, that is just sad. Oh my goodness gracious. Where's your toy? Get it. Hey, Goob. This is our blanket. Right? She's used to me laying on this couch, cuddling her with this blanket, and we love it. Right? It's kind of hot today. Right? You want to come up, miss? She never gets up either. Oh my goodness, guys. Sassy, that's not yours. Or it could be, and then she stole it. Who knows anymore? Get it. You sillies. He's a silly one. Okay, let's go fill up the waters. Hi. Oh. Hi. We always bond in the basement because the doggies don't come down. Oh, there's the other one. Oh my goodness. Hi, Coco. Okay then. Hi. You pretty? Hi. You got gross breath. She eats poop out of the yard and it's disgusting. I forget that. But you're so cute. You're just so cute. It's like, excuse me, phone. Oh, you almost forgot your treat, huh? Your bone. She almost tried to take it. Let's eat your food, miss. Here. Good girl. If your dog doesn't eat their food, the best thing to do is maybe if they eat it out of your hand, feed them one piece. And if they eat that, bring it closer to their bowl and soon bring it in their bowl with your hand and they will soon eat it right out of the bowl. Good girl. Yeah, just keep rewarding them with compliments, saying, good girl, that they're eating. And now she knows she's done, right? Hi, can you get off of me? Please. 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 I love you, miss. When she was smaller, they first got her when I started working. Oh, she was the cutest little cuddler. Oh my goodness. Hi, miss. Hi, I love you. Oh God. Oh, I'm being killed slowly. My love. Oh. Hi. Oh. Hi, how are you? See, that's her being aggressive. Hey, stop. You gotta be. Hi, how are you? I'm dead, guys. You guys saved me. I'm dead. I died. I died, you know. Oh no, my hand moved. It means I'm not deaded. Ow! 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 There we go. Apparently it feels good, huh? Feels good? Not okay. Not okay. Are you trying to eat my hair? Oh, no. Fine. Hurry. What are you doing? I love you. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Okay, we're gonna cuddle for a bit. Tux. That's my sister.
He's amazing, but if he sees another dog, and probably a person, he has to go say hi, and he will follow.
I found a shortcut. Where did you cut through? Dog, save me. Ooh, she's over there. My rescuer. Thank you. Thank you so much. So inside.
Lay down in the tall grass.
Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh God, my nightmare. Continue. There's a little girl. Ready, set, go! Rest arm on your butt. Can I touch your butt? Thank you. Or is it everywhere? You setters.
He kind of walked in, and then he went back and retreated, and then he ran in and he fell in. It
Oh,
was so funny.
nice. He's all muddy now for you. He's so tired. Good boy. Apparently, I'm taking the setters back home. It is very humid today, so they're very tired. Impressive. Nervous. Three little babies, very adorable. And there's one over here, just chilling. There's a mountain lion around here. Just 2 weeks ago, the person who lives at this house recorded mountain lions, like down there, far down, caused these guys to stampede 2 miles. Is that you, Mama? Is that you, Mama? I don't know why I like cows so much. Come here. Good boy. Double pear. Looks like an apple. That was attractive. He doesn't like it. It's okay. I have the same exact thing. Don't lick it, please. No, no. Oh gosh. Good. Knock yourself out.